everyone, it's April here from Dragons and Dresses Craft Sorted, and we have a BEEBEECRAFT piece here to do. This is one that I got for my granddaughter and I to get together, which in the subsequent video she will be doing it. You can get it right there at BEEBEECRAFT.com. And all the links for everything that I use, if I can find them from there, will be below. The only links that will be below are for BEEBEECRAFT specifically. Now this is a box of stickers, and the item number is rolling across the top of the screen there, and it'll continue to roll throughout the whole thing. This is by CUTIE POP. They are princess stickers, and they come in a roll, or a sheet rather. Here, let me try to get these out for you. And it has all the drills and everything that you need for it. Drills are what the little diamonds are called, the little rhinestone-y looking plastic pieces. They're called drills. You get everything you need, including the tray and the wand and everything. And these are the stickers. And I'm not going to do them all on one sheet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut these all out, and I'll be back when that's done. All the colors I'm going to go ahead and put in a little container that I have here to the side, which you can also get from there. There they are. Now, to get this done, what you do is you peel back a little bit of it at a time. Well, that's what I do. Now, the face has no sticky part on it, so you don't have to worry about that part. But the rest of the body does have sticker on it. And in case you didn't know how to do diamond dots, I'm going to show you a little bit, and then I'm going to fast forward the rest of it. There's no need for you to sit and watch me do the whole thing at regular speed. So the first one, the way I do it is I pick which one has the least amount, which on this one it's in the number 5, which is the yellow. And I believe it's in the hairband only, if I'm not mistaken, and maybe the top of the umbrella. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this is already pre-sticky, so you don't have to worry about gluing anything onto this one. Although some people do put a little bit of glue on there, and it shows you the colors. It's like a paint by number, but it's with diamond dots. Or they're not diamonds or dots. Sometimes they're squares too, but in this case they're round. And we're going to go ahead and get these done. Here on the umbrella. And her hairband. Only a few of them. Make sure everything is straight and lined up good. And then press them down into place. That's why I leave the plastic on, so I can press them really, really good. All right, now let's get these put away, and I will continue. And I have some music that I've created from another website. I hope BEEBEECRAFT enjoys it, and I hope you do too. Don't forget to go check out BEEBEECRAFT.com and use the code DRAGONS10 to get 10% off. And follow the links below, and I'll get credit for you shopping at BEEBEECRAFT. All right, and here we go.
Beads of color wrapped in dreams, crochet kits with endless schemes, molds of silicone shaping art, crafty hands and a loving heart, buttons, shiny threads so bright, sequins dancing in the light, scissors snipping fabric flows, every crafter truly knows. BEEBEECRAFT, so much to see, every choice is wild and free, ideas buzzing in the air, crafting joy without a care. Brushes painting colors bold, clay creation stories told, paper folding origami, joy.
Okay, so this one is done, and and I went ahead and created all the rest of them while off camera. But there's 3 left, and I'm going to do something special with these 3. So wait to see. Here we go. We have a castle here, and I'm going to do just a castle, but I'm going to do it differently. I'm going to put UV resin on it and place the drills in place. So follow along, and you will see. There is a line outside the outer edge, and that's where the resin will go to, and when you peel it off, it'll peel off just that outer edge. Okay, here we go.
Crafting joy without all the care.
Okay, so with the UV resin on there, I'm going to use my silicone tip, and I'm going to use the wider edge of it to spread that around just barely to the edge of the sticker cutout. That way it doesn't go over and I don't have to trim anything. You'll see how we adhere this to a disc here in a little bit. Okay, with that spread around, we're going to work our way out from the inside out. But I'm going to go ahead and put the windows in now because that's the one that has the fewer amount, and then we'll work from there. Okay, enjoy the music. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. This is pretty fun, and my granddaughter's going to love doing it as well.
Art, crafty hands and a loving heart. Buds and shiny threads so bright. Sequins dancing in the light. Scissors snipping, fabric flows. Every crafter truly knows. BEEBEECRAFT, so much to see. Every choice is wild and free. Ideas buzzing in the air. Crafting joy without a care. Brushes painting, colors bold. Clay creation, stories told. Paper folding, origami.
Okay, now that those are all in place, we're going to hit it with a little UV light torch here and set it a little bit, and then I'll put it underneath my big light. And we will see what it turns out to look like at the end.
Wrinkles down, crafty kingdom wears the crown. Spark and shimmer all around. In this place where art is found. BEEBEECRAFT, so much to see. Every choice is wild and free. Ideas buzzing in the air. Crafting joy without a care.
Okay, now that that's done, we're going to see if how it turned out on the back. It still should be sticky on the back because I haven't released it. Should be pretty easy to, there we go. The whole thing comes up in one shot, and it's still sticky on the back. That's perfect. Now what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take this, and I have these little acrylic discs that I've been waiting to come in to put them on for like a keychain or something. They're small, but I hope I ordered the right ones, but if not, I have larger ones. So I can find them on BEEBEECRAFT, and I'll put them below. We're going to do the carriage and the mushroom as well. But I'll show you how I do the mushroom. So here we go. And it'll be on one of those round discs for a luggage tag.
Beads of color wrapped in dreams. Crochet kits with endless schemes. Molds of and a loving heart. Bright and shiny threads.
And here's our third option. I got these acrylic discs from Hobby Lobby. I was hoping to get some smaller ones, and they do have them at BEEBEECRAFT. So I will put the link for this same of these down below, because I did check them out and they are available. So what you want to do is you want to rough up one edge and then wipe it off with alcohol to make sure that there's no dust on it. Although you're not really going to see the dust, so it really wouldn't matter. And at that point, we're going to mix up some UV resin with some of my favorite glitter from Glitter Hippo. It's called Dream Flakes. You'll see that here in just a minute, and I'll show the label. But this is an ad for BEEBEECRAFT.com, not for Glitter Hippo. But in my other videos, I do have a discount code for Glitter Hippo as well. I have one for BEEBEECRAFT also. It's called Dragons 10. Here I am mixing up the UV. I ran out of the little bottle, so I had to pour it from the big bottle.
Magic sprinkles down. Crafty kingdom wears the crown. Spark and shimmer.
And here's the glitter flakes, or the dream flakes rather, from Glitter Hippo, Invisible Quartz. This has a gold and a pink hue and a blue hue and a purple hue in it. So this one's like a rainbow, and I love this one. So we're going to mix this together and put this on there, cure it, and then we'll add the sticker.
Ideas buzzing in the air. Crafting joy without all the care.
Here's a tip: if you start out far away with a torch and you go in slowly, it doesn't get those weird bubbles in it or ripples. Now that that's all cured, one side still has the film on the back of it. I don't want to take that off yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sticker, take it off the backing, and apply it to the disc on the side where I put the UV glitter already. These can be so tricky sometimes, I know.
Molds of silicone shaping art, crafty hands
And we're going to attach it here.
button shiny thread so bright, sequins dancing in
Make sure to lay it down in the center and then work your way out by pushing down and getting all the bubbles, letting the air push out of the bubbles. Just with any sticker or anything that you adhere to something, you want to make sure that you start from the center, work your way out. It helps get rid of all the bubbles.
in the air, crafting joy without a care.
Now taking the film off of it, because it doesn't matter if it's sticky or not, but that just helps to keep your gloves from sticking. And eventually I'll get back in frame. There we go. Now on here, I'm just going to apply just a very thin layer of the UV all over it, and I'm going to rub it on there and then clean my gloves off, of course. Oh, there's an air bubble. Got it. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and spread this on there and add the dots, which are called, the diamond dots are called drills, which I said that earlier. I'm not sure if you understood what I meant by drills, but that's what they're called. They're called drills. And this is about empty, so I may have to switch over. Oh, I might have enough on there. I'm going to go ahead and fill that up as much as I have left anyway. See, I'm rubbing it around all over, and then that way it's already on there. And before you set it, you can always make sure that everything is in place good and covering up those numbers and all. That's why I have a silicone mat down on top of my tile piece here. Oh, you like the tile? It's new. So that I can just scrape it right, peel it right off that if I need to later. And it helps with the glare. All right, we're going to go ahead and get this started, and I will catch you when it's done. Enjoy the music.
Is found. BEEBEECRAFT, so much to see. Every choice is wild and free. Ideas buzzing in the air. Craft and joy without a care.
Okay, now that I'm getting all these little white ones on, I'm going to speed this up a little bit so you don't have to watch me do the whole thing. And, oh, look at that. It's like magic. It's completely done. And sorry about it being out of frame. We get these put back in the little container, which I have found that, yes, you can get these little containers also on BEEBEECRAFT. They have them like this one, and then they have other ones. But I will link it below. And here's a quick look at it. It comes 4 to a strip. So it's easy, and you can use Sharpie to write the numbers on them and then wipe it off with the Sharpie, with alcohol. So now that that's covered, I'm going to add a little more UV around the edges and push it up around over the top of the lip of the sticker to hold everything in place. And we're going to continue on with this, and we'll show you the end result in a minute.
Crafting joy without a care. Brushes painting colors bold. Clay creation stories told. Paper folding origami. Joy in crafting feels like harmony. Glitter magic sprinkles down. Crafted kingdom wears the crown. Spark and shimmer all around. In this place.
And here it is done, and we'll show you the other ones that I did also. Here's the carriage. I did it on a gold background. And here's the castle that I did in the beginning with just the UV on the sticker. And it is also now on a disc because these are going to be luggage tags. And all I did was put the glitter on there, attach that, and UV'd over the top of it to make everything nice and smooth and shiny. These are all going to be luggage tags. On the other side, I'll use my Cricut and put the information on there. Thanks for watching. If you can make one person laugh or smile every day, then your day has been worthwhile. And I hope that these lovely little trinkets brought a grin to your face. And go and check out BEEBEECRAFT, and don't forget to use Dragons 10 for 10% off your order. There's a link below, and if you follow that link, then I get credit for you shopping at BEEBEECRAFT. Stay tuned for the Russian Dolls kit coming soon. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye.